Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis here. So, right now, USDJPY hasn't been doing too much. Ever since it hit its high here at 150.862, basically got rejected from our target area, and so far it's been a successful outcome. We're waiting to see if it wants to go higher again and form another connector because it's been moving in threes for a long time, and it could technically push back up if it wanted to, and then form a B and then a C later, or continue to move in threes. Really, it's very choppy, but market's been having a tough time ever since the yen took a big hit. Right, it's been kind of struggling, right? Just chopping sideways. Yen was moving higher. Market was having a good time, trending up, right? Market was having a nice little rally. But let's take a look at it, right? We'll continue our market recap. So I think for now, there's no trade setup, but remain vigilant. And if we do see a three-wave impulse higher, we could take a short opportunity against this pivot. Dow Jones continuing to push up, and actually the futures are open right now, and the Dow Jones is down just slightly, 24 basis points. Alongside all the other indices are down a little bit since the close on Friday. But the trend remains up, and these two dip buys look like they've reacted really nicely. And I think we can. It's kind of like safe to say that you could easily continue to trend up. You can see you got a clear 1, 2, 3, 3 right here. 4. Actually, you need a fifth wave. So actually, you only have 3. So you need some sort of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need it to continue to push up and continue a fifth wave to confirm that this is an impulse. The SPY has something very similar as well. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you basically need a fifth wave, right? You need a fifth wave. Same thing for the Qs. The Qs could be in a more bearish setup, or the 2, or this 2 is still in play, and it's a flat, right? An A, B, and a C, and you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, or it's a WXY. Sorry, it's a WXY, and this is gonna do ABC, or it's simply ended here, and you have swings to go down, which is possible. I don't think this is the target anymore, though. Yeah, so it's not as bearish. Target would be somewhere in here, but we'll see. Let's see if we get this other swing down into Qs, breaking this low, right? Let's take a look at the IWM. IWM, small caps. Look at that. I think we put this, was it last time? A couple weeks ago? Was it last week? Successful trade outcome. Dip buy came in. Look at that. Huge reaction up. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 swings up. You got a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 swings up. You need a pullback, or you need to erase divergence and continue higher. Right? That's what you need. And you're in the 3, so this could easily erase divergence. Continue higher, continue to push with a gap up, and the 3 extends, and the 5th extends, and the 4 extends. Sorry, but for now, let's just leave it labeled as is and see if this one's going to finish and we get another pullback and another 3 swing move dip buy, right, with a flat. This was a flat. If we get another flat, then we'll map it out. But for now, there's no trade set up on the IWM. TLT, in my opinion, should continue to push higher into this area. Could it be more bearish and you get another swing lower? It could. Right now, the yields are open, and we kind of gapped up on the yields. But let's see here. In terms of a short-term price action dip buy opportunity, you could, if you don't go any higher, and the targets don't change, you have a dip buy in this area here for the TLT. Other than that, no setups on the TLT. The SMH hasn't really done much, right? We're kind of just waiting. Are we gonna get this flat, right? Or is it just gonna run higher? We don't know. Being patient, waiting. Gotta move this a bit. Hope I'm not on log. No, I'm not on log. Yeah, that's it. Just gotta wait, guys. Nothing else you can do. Gold. So gold, someone is addressing this. So let's take a look at gold. Gold's breaking out, right? And it took out the high. So this is obviously not the count that this is far too bearish. And someone in the comments left, they said something like, oh, this is a triangle. Yes, could be. Could very well be a triangle. And I mean, we've traded inside of this channel here, this consolidation phase on gold. And let's see, do we have some sort of like A, B, C, D, E? Or maybe I'm drawing this wrong. And it's an A, B, C, D, E. And it's I would think it's a 1-2 now. So I'd say like the correction's over. And it is a triangle. And now you're getting a 1, 2, erase divergence right here. Now you're inside the 3. So yeah, this looks valid, right? And now you're creating another impulse higher. I'm gonna make this there we go. So yeah, this could be very valid. And then you're just inside the 3 of 3. So still stay bullish on gold and silver much more, right? Silver also got dip buy, dip buy, dip buy, and it continues to push up. So again, holding long on silver, continuing up, continuing higher. And I'm gonna look to sell my spot silver once we get into the 50s, 40, mid 40s, 50s. I think I'll start to sell some physical, right? To give some bars back. And then we'll look at oil. Wrap it up on oil. Sorry, oil and nat gas. Oil looks like it could be doing some sort of like in the smaller time frames. Maybe it wants to do like a 3 swing up, and at which point you could have a short area. If it wants to come up to here, maybe you could short it. Let's see. But yeah, this looks like an impulse down. This looks like some sort of 1, 2, and then we're gonna get a 3, 4, and a 5. And then we'll wrap it up with nat gas. So nat gas naturally, nat gas naturally is still bearish, not doing well. Obviously, it's been in a very nasty downtrend. Could you get a big push higher? Yes, come up and then back down again. But no trade set up on that gas. We did short it at one point. We closed our short position around here, and then it took it a little bit lower, but now it's come back up. So, oh, sorry, that's oil. So yeah, well, it's pretty similar. We closed like our short here, went down lower. If you held, we'd still be at the same point. So, anyways, that's it for this week. Looking for the markets to kind of continue to trend higher. We're still in the bigger picture uptrend. Crypto seems to be getting a bit overnight, but I'm not ruling it another dip down lower out. I still think we need to hit that 7-hour RSI band, and then the low should be in crypto. Okay, so that's it. Have a good weekend. Enjoy the rest of your Labor Day, and I'll catch you guys on Friday. Peace.